Hey folks, welcome to the channel.
Hello.
So we had Happy Mail.
I know.
Now,
and it made you very happy.
It made me very emotional.
You did. You had a little tear.
I did. I was very moved.
You was.
I was moved to tears.
You were walking around going, "Oh my God,
Someone sent us Happy Mail,
and it's made me happy."
Yeah, I was really happy. So Janet Wright, thank you. I mean, I don't know. I literally cannot say thank you enough. I was so moved that you sent me this, that it really genuinely did move me to tears.
I do feel there was an ulterior motive, though.
Well, yes. Now, what Janet sent me, as you can see, was a massive bag of sand and some sort of oceany Katie Sue moulds, which, anybody who's watched us ever knows I love Katie Sue moulds. But what she basically said was, get a move on with ocean themed projects. So I was moved to tears initially because I was so happy, and then because I was like, oh my God, I've got to make an ocean scene. And I've never done that before. So this is me having my first attempt at a proper ocean scene.
Yep.
Please be gentle with me. So I used the Wall Art Moulds and Shapes mould. And again, this is the first time I've used this one. So I was like,
yeah, well, you know.
But it's a beautiful mould. And I sprinkled some sand over. Now, I have no idea if what I'm doing is right, wrong, but it's how I felt it should go. I mean, I've watched ocean videos, but everyone says to do it a different way. So I thought, you know what? I'm just going to do it the way that it makes sense to me. So over the sand, I used Just Resin. All of these are Just Resin pastes. And we've got a discount code in the description if you're interested.
Yeah. Works
for both the Australian store and the international store.
Yep.
And I love these pastes.
Yeah.
I love them. So this is the they do an ocean set, and this is the ocean set that I got about 5 months ago.
We've had it a while, yeah.
We have, but I've been too scared to do an ocean scene. And I literally ran out of excuses once Janet sent us her lovely gift. So I thought,
with a little order on there, get it done.
Yeah, yeah. So I thought, right. So all I do is I mix up all of the pastes and then I pour it over sort of the lightest to the darkest.
Yeah.
And I've no idea if that's right, if that's wrong. It kind of felt right. So, but then I thought there's lots of lines. So I took out my heat gun and I was just if I'm honest, willy-nilly blowing it around. Now, Kirk's pulling a face now. Now, I don't have the directional bit of a heat gun.
We do somewhere. I've put it in a safe place.
Well, Kirk's put it in a safe place, which means it will never be found again because it could be it could be anywhere. But we need a new heat gun anyway.
Okay.
That's what I'm going to say. Really?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
If you want a new heat gun, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll have a look.
So once that layer was dry, I thought, and I left it, if I'm honest, for about 2 days because I thought I can only put it off for so long. I mixed up a tiny bit of titanium white and then attempted to make waves. So
no, you didn't actually put any silicone oil or anything in, did you?
No.
Because I think aren't you supposed to put silicone oil in?
I think you are, but I've also seen it where people don't. So I don't know is my answer.
Okay.
But at one point I got it where I really liked it and then I blew it a little bit more and thought, oh, now I've messed it up. And what I should have done is just done it and then left it. Like right there before I pour that line, I like it. And then I keep going. I just don't know when to stop sometimes. But I was desperately trying to.
You've also lost 90% of the sand.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, yes, I agree. But I felt that when I started the project, the tide was out. And when I finished it, the tide was in. So it's a very realistic ocean scene. Okay, that's what I'm going with.
Okay.
Now, whilst that was drying, I made up the little sea creatures, and they're all so cute. So I used a bit of what do you call it? Alcohol. Not alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol, not regular alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol. And I just mixed up the chameleon powder with it.
Yeah.
And I painted it onto the mould. My hope was that I could get certain colours to go into the sort of the divot, like with the turtle, it's got like little divots. And I wanted the teal to go into that divot. And then I wanted green to go everywhere else.
So the reason I put that one up there is because you show every other one that you're using, apart from that one.
I know.
So I had to put that one on screen.
I've had a very big telling off today for not showing things to the screen properly. So I'm very sorry.
No, you're not.
No, I'm not. I will try. We'll try harder.
Uh-huh.
So it's like living with a headmaster sometimes.
Right, you watch them get the cane.
Ooh. Anyway, so I didn't go for realistic colours because I felt that at this point my ocean scene probably wasn't going to look 100% realistic, and it's me, so I thought I'll just do it my way.
Yeah.
I have to say, this mould I love. The turtle is the cutest. The octopus is the cutest.
Now, I noticed
the seahorse is cute. What?
That they are quite small moulds.
They are very small moulds.
And I think you did about 20, 30 mil.
I did. I think I did 20 mil.
And they are quite, although they're small, they are very intricate moulds.
Yes.
And I thought that was they are really good moulds. I mean, the Katie Sue moulds are awesome.
Katie Sue moulds are, I mean, they are phenomenal. And you can use them for clay as well.
Yes.
Which is what I love about, I mean, I love Katie Sue moulds. I really do. But I put them to cure, and then I took them out probably just before I probably should have done. They were still quite bendy, but I couldn't wait. I was like, I want to see them. And they're so cute. I love them. I absolutely love them.
I like the octopus.
I like the little crab. Look at the little crab. It's just like, I mean, what's not to like about that? It is the cutest thing. But look at this. Look at this. Wait for it. Look at this turtle. How adorable is the turtle? He's got a little smiley face.
He has.
He has got the cutest, sleepiest smiley face.
I was
ever.
thinking he's got a sleepy. He looked like he's been having a bit of the devil's lettuce.
Don't be saying things like that. You just shush. So there was a couple of areas where there was a tiny bit of overpour. So I just got one of these stick things.
Sticks with files on the end.
Yeah.
They're cool. I've not seen those before.
I saw them on someone's channel, and for the life of me, I can't remember whose it was. I cannot remember, but I saw them on someone's channel.
Okay.
And I remember thinking, that's genius. I must get some. So I got some. They're from Temu, surprisingly. Now, these are the pens that I got from resiners. I love them. They're so good. And I used silver on a couple, rose gold on another. I basically used one of each on all of them. So, and then it was time for the final bit.
See, that looks sea-like.
It does look sea-like.
Yeah.
I mean, I felt that for my first attempt, it's not the worst thing I've ever seen in my life. It could have been a lot worse. Like a lot worse.
This did make me chuckle.
Now, I spent quite some time.
Yes, I know.
What? No, I wanted I wanted the little creatures to be in just the right spot so that it made me happy.
Uh-huh.
Now, It took some time. You did not leave it all in.
Yeah.
Surely not.
No, I did.
Why?
Because it amused me.
There are things.
Your inability to make a decision.
No, I did make a decision.
You did in the
end.
But
I needed to look at every eventuality before I could make that decision.
It looked like at one point you were just playing with them, swimming around in the sea.
I might have been. I'm not. I will never tell. Anyway,
but even at this point, you've poured the resin and you've put them in there.
I know, and
you still move them around.
Well, at this point, they were swimming.
Look,
he was swimming.
Look, it's not easy if you. All right, I'm going to put him there. Look, no, he's just a little.
All I can say is I'm glad you took the sound off because I was actually going do 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 do.
Oh, what?
As I moved him along, yeah.
I'm going to have to put that back in.
No, you're not. No, you are absolutely categorically not.
I think I should.
No, I don't think you should. And if you do, I won't let you have any of my chocolate fingers.
Let's get me in.
Yeah, but you won't have any tonight. See? Anyway, I digress. So once I'd put them in the
position you're happy with.
That I was happy with. Now, somebody asked me in another video, that light that I just used, was it UV? It's not. I really struggle to see where the top of the clear is because I've got a really bright light above. I've got the two monitors and my eyesight is rubbish. So I always use a torch or I call it like an inspection light.
Yeah.
Just to see where the top of the clear has come to.
Yeah, yeah.
And make sure there's no bubbles and
it's good for spotting bubbles and things like that.
It's that sort of that's what I use it for. Because just how the lighting is set up in this room, it's really difficult to see bubbles from certain angles. So if I change the angle of the light, I can see them much better. Now, this demolded like a dream. I love molds and shapes. Now, I don't have a discount code to them, but if you nip over to Claire's Crafty Corner, she has got a 10% discount code, which I'm sure she won't mind if you use.
No.
There you go. And that is my ocean scene. Yeah. And I actually really loved it. Like, really.
I like the back as well.
Even the back's pretty, but those little creatures, I love them. Love them. So I took my drill bit, not my drill, well, it is my drill bit, but it's also a polishy thing. And I just smoothed like the bits where I'd taken the overpour.
Little bits of overpour, yeah.
I just smoothed that off. And then I took, again, the Resiner's silver pen and just edged it with silver.
Yep.
And there we have it.
Yeah.
There is my ocean scene. So once again, can I just say an absolute heartfelt thanks to Janet Wright for sending me this happy mail. I have no words to express how humbled and chuffed I was. I mean, wow, just wow. So thank you so much.
And just for Janet, thank you very much.
That's just for you.
Yeah.
So anybody who is still with us at this point, a miracle upon miracle, and you think you might like our creative sort of chaos, please do feel free to hit that like button.
And while you're down there, want to give the subscribe a little tickle as well.
And if you already have.
Oh, I'm going to do, okay. And for,
you're not going to do it?
For everybody else, you get, thank you very much.
There you go. And there was no wink for everybody else, in case you're wondering.
There's never a wink.
There's always a wink. It's creepy.
Not the way you say I do a super exaggerated wink.
Well, never mind. Anyway, on that note, we will hopefully see you in the next one.
Yeah.
Have a great weekend. Bye for now.
Bye for now.